In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the align command in AutoCAD to position objects accurately and efficiently. The align command is a powerful tool because it can move, rotate, and even scale objects in a single operation. Start by selecting the object you want to align. Next, type align into the command line or use the shortcut AL and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to specify source points on the object. Select the first point on your object, then click the matching destination point where you want it aligned. Repeat the process for a second pair of points. In most cases, 2 points are enough to correctly position and orient the object. If needed, you can specify a third point for even greater accuracy and control. After selecting your alignment points, press enter to complete the command. AutoCAD will automatically reposition the object so it matches the destination points you selected. This is especially useful when aligning imported drawings, blocks, survey data, or objects that need to fit precisely into an existing design. With a little practice, the align in command can save a significant amount of time and improve the accuracy of your drawings. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.